Douglas Rex Rinehart does cheats Cubemaster 2000 in making loud blasting noise.
Man, what a good day awakening from earlier, but I can't go out right next door. I'll have texting on my phone. I don't know why there's this shitty games hole made this. I'll just ignoring from shit games as much. I'm going to logging on the computer. Let's see, if I gonna checking in message around here. Maybe it's Ricardo Lopez stalker following me. I'm gonna be quiet talking with friends here.
The morning clock.
Morning, Douglas. Have you slept well? I was took longer less hours slept than I did woke up earlier. So how about you're watching anime before? I hope you like it with your mind. Yeah, I did. Let me eating breakfast first. Alright, you can eat this breakfast now.
A couple's hour period later.
Ugh, all the times my family's forced me doing farming outdoors this. Always they're having real things to doing farming since I was grounded before ago, nothing else to do. I'll finish this garden first.
2.5 hours later.
Did you finish with water plants on garden?
Yes, I did.
Good boy. Now you're taking a break shortly.
Okay. I need something else to doing this, so I won't be boring. I go on computer again. Let's see, if I gonna find the game way better there was... Type, Cubemaster 2000. Woa, and Tetris clone games? This looks very amazing. I'm going to installing it and playing the game way better than shitty games? Let's find out.
He installing on Cubemaster 2000 game files into the computer, playing the game for first times, with some movement like Tetris, but there was a loud blasting noise, while he current reaction into 4-row chain reaction, when Douglas managed to analysis game.
Woa, that was fucking cool. If I wondering gonna make much louder and making like earthquake effect. Pretty goddamn right. Actually I'm going to cheating this game and setting on loud blasting noisy with earthquake. This should be more fucking awesome cool stuff. Haha, now let's get into it.
After he settings with the cheat engine on Cubemaster 2000, with some loud blasting noise, earthquake, extra pieces and some others, when Douglas managed to play non-stop puzzle Tetris here at the moment.
Here goes fucking earthquake. That was loud. Now let's do some chain reaction row.
At the Ricardo Davis's house.
Watch out, bro. They got homing missile upon attack us. Dodge and focus away from homing missile incoming. Stay on tight. Right position. Look like a big bad cannon emerged from underground. Let's do some missile launcher strike down. Bro, what was that sound coming from? I think someone made earthquake sound. I think it is earthquake. Gosh, my ears is hurting right now.
At the Morty and Rick's house.
Hey Rick, where have you been?
I teleported into the parallel universe and space-time continuum back their day with 19th century. There was an old age era of many people are fashioned that revolutions of real life way back then, but this year we're lived in modern age.
How thoughts about 19th century?
Morty? Is this something wrong?
Someone who put earthquake sound coming from.
Wait, I think is Douglas Rex Rinehart at the school. I mentioned he insulting and calling me. He making like earthquake sound from his home.
Yeah! Douglas is bad guy and freaking insane psychopath.
At the Frankie Outdoors.
Hey Michael, have you seen the new digital concert coming up?
Post Malone Runaway Tour at Enterprise Center Digital Concert. It's going to be established this Valentine's Day period.
I went to see Post Malone concert at New York City sometimes a while ago. That rapper guy is pretty doing well. I hope's gonna wait to see more digital concerts.
He's right. Post Malone pretty proud and entertaining this year. I have brought digital concert tickets, and I'll have to wait.
Where the frick is sound coming from?
Somebody who put earthquake sound? It's loud blasting noise surrounding area here.
I knew that. It is Douglas Rex Rinehart. Remember that all of these years is getting worse. He has bullying at the school and causing some chaos and destruction before.
Yeah, that bad guy is Naughty Bits and freaking psychopath guy. Now I see that.
Now with Douglas Scene.
Man, today is a super mega ultra amazing game. Those Tetris clone game are very best. I wish there was a lot of people making like noisy earthquake sound effect. I setting to make loud 1 and 6 times of row Tetris. When they find out people make earthquake lives here. Ha 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 ha.
Did I just hearing you making like loud blasting noise and earthquake?
Oh no!
Douglas, I can't believe you playing the game instead of loud blasting noise with setting on Cubemaster 2000. You know that people everyone are getting shock and make you earthquake effects and get you a lot of big trouble. I am very disappointed you.
But mom, I just wanna take me few break and no need more farming and garden outdoors any lives here.
Don't lie to me, mister. We hereby informed with families and children that you have playing the game instead of earthquake effects. I am going to deleting your game in computer files and you will not making like loud blasting noise ever again.
No! No, 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 mom, don't delete the game. I need it that better way to do. Douglas, I can't believe you making like earthquake effect and loud blasting noise when I told my families and children, and you're not supposed to making loudspeaker in this surrounding area. People are shocked and get you a lot of big trouble. But I like Tetris clone game, I didn't make it past so far. We don't care, you are grounded for 33 months. Go to play the game and watch the anime and cartoon shows for rest of your natural born life. Well, at least I'll have to play some bad games of Raiden Storm, Burnout Storm and Stellar Combat 2020. Also, I'll watch some anime and cartoon shows normal at once. I didn't make it past things so very far. Well, fuck this shit, screw that.